Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices. Put the watch on charge and make sure it has at least 50% battery, then enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Open the Lasika companion app and grant location and time permissions so automatic sync can work. Once done, verify your phone's time and time zone are correct and turn off any manual time settings so the app can push accurate data. This prevents conflicts between device clocks and ensures the watch receives a single authoritative time source. You now perform the detailed sync. Open Settings in the Lasika app, go to Device, and tap Sync Time to force a manual push. This is faster than waiting for automatic intervals. If the time still drifts, update the watch firmware to the latest build and restart the watch. Firmware fixes often correct timekeeping bugs. Make sure to enable GPS or NTP time source in the device settings so the watch can get atomic accuracy. Using GPS is ideal outdoors, while NTP works over Wi-Fi. You finish by confirming the watch retains the correct time for several minutes. Check alarms and world clocks to validate consistency. If problems persist, perform a factory reset as a last software step, because it clears corrupted settings. For persistent drift or sudden jumps, the real-time clock battery or hardware may be failing. Replace the RTC battery or contact support. If nothing helps, retry manual sync after 2 to 5 minutes, and save diagnostic logs to help technicians pinpoint the fault.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.